Okay, so we're going to do another video, well, another experiment, kind of, that we found on YouTube. We figured we might as well record another while we're on the roll. So this one includes, and we haven't tried it yet, it is just salt, a little bit of water, which is right there, food coloring, and a straw. Okay, so go ahead and put the salt in the bowl, honey. And I'll let you know when it's enough. It's more like an activity versus it being an experiment. It's more just like an activity. Sorry, that's my husband in the background. Okay, let's see here. I think that's good, honey. That's enough. Okay, let's see.
No.
Okay, so next, get the food coloring.
We'll put that on the salt.
Mm-hmm.
To begin color. Don't need white.
Actually, kind of put a little bit more than we did with the last experiment. Just kind of put it all over the place. There you go.
That's enough.
Okay, now just take your straw and just kind of stir it around.
Okay. And then last water.
Mm-hmm.
What's gonna... This way?
Just any way you want to. Just stir it around.
Oh.
See? I think the effect or the point was kind of making it look like crystals, kind of. That's kind of what I felt like it was when I watched the other video. And we run out of the other colors, so we're going to have to get more of that. So that's why we're just using green.
More color.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to get some more green because I know there's not a lot in there.
Yeah. That's so pretty. Does kind of look like crystals, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty. And if you want to, honey, you can add a little bit of water. I think it's pretty like that. But the girl in the video, she put a little water in hers. What do you think, honey?
Good.
Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm. You made the best experiments.
Thank you, honey. Thank you, YouTube. Okay. Another close-up shot there.
Oh, that was so cool.
Yeah, really pretty. You want to try water or no before I sign off?
I know that's not good.
And I know we're just dropping videos without any intro or anything, but this is real life. This is our life. Kind of on a whim, so.
Can you pour all the water?
Just a little bit, I think. Just a little bit. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's good. Oh, it kind of, I guess it was kind of a turquoisey color before, like an aqua color. Now it's more green, right?
Oh,
because before it was kind of like, you know, the color of the ocean, kind of like aqua, and now it's green. Isn't that crazy?
I
just realized now that it was like an aqua key. I said an aqua key color. Oh my goodness.
It melted.
That's pretty cool. Okay, honey, we're going to sign off. Thank you so much for watching. If you do this video, don't you dare think about drinking that. Oh, okay, she's blowing bubbles. If you like this video, if you do this experiment, please let us know. Thanks. Bye.